Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are featuring this wig from Yolissa, and here I'm just showing you everything that comes packaged inside the box, including the wig. You also get a dust bag. Here is the wig itself pre-installed. This is just what it looks like straight out of the packaging. This is a curly wig. This is a ready and go wig. It is 250% density. It is a 4x7. Me personally, I prefer my wigs like 5 inches and up, just so you get more parting space, because 4 inches is just not enough. I like a deep part. So today we are doing a flip over style. I think this looks best with this curly hair, and I'm just gonna use my natural edges because hello, there's no way around them. But if you want to see how I styled this wig, just keep watching. And I'm going in with water because I did not wash this wig prior to putting it on, hence the ready to wear wigs. I want you guys to see what it looks like straight out of the packaging. So to define the curls, I'm just going to go in with mousse and water. That's all I'm using.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck my.
So after that, we're just gonna let it set. And the lace was a little light for my skin, so I'm just going in with my powder foundation. And as you can see, it blends a lot better. And instead of using hair from the wig, I'm just using my natural edges because they're here already, and I just think it makes the wigs a little more natural. Then I'm going in with hairspray to blend and melt the lace into the skin.
Myself. Sleep in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you.
And I go in with the band. I don't leave this on for too long because I'm just drying hairspray and that dries really quickly. So 5-10 minutes.
Would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but.
Then I'm going in with just a little bit of water because sometimes the hairspray leave a white cast, and then I'm using it to like unstick my edges because of course they got a little stuck with the hairspray. And then this is what it looks like up close. As for my edges, I'm just using a little bit of edge control to slick them down and not too much.
You know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special.
I'll probably pull some more edges out to cover up the lace on the sides, but I love how this turned out. I would definitely recommend hair mousse and water. Probably not the one that I use because it did make my hair a little stiff, a little crunchy. But other than that, absolutely love this hair. I'll be sure to list all of Yolissa's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as direct links for you to look at the unit that I have. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.